Yeah, it's going down. It's going down this early morning. Here we are again, phase 5. We're about to remove concrete. The windows are in. We got the bed truck about to back up here. And as you see, we're sealing all windows. All windows being sealed. Still got to put that parking lot in. And we'll still have to put this maintenance-free courtyard in. Everything else is coming along. Got half of this one house painted. Got to put the windows in. And we got the cement truck, bin remover, about to latch this thing on so we can get another bin. Fill that up with cement. This job is never finished, man. But give us another week. Hopefully by Sunday, we'll do a cleanup, put the landscaping in, do a final trim, final paint. The painting that you see is the first paint. We do a second paint, in which we'll do all the caulking and do a repaint to make it look smooth. Then we'll put the landscaping in, and then we'll clean up this joint, pressure wash it. Then we'll go inside the units and start working on that. Everything's going in. I know it's heavy. I know that. Excuse me, no shaving this morning, so I know I look a little rough. But I don't look as rough as this bin going up in here. Gotta get this stuff done, man. Gotta get this thing done, man. Anyway, another day in the life of a developer. We out.